Hey everyone, it's Eric here from LabFix. We got this nice Samsung Spin, right? We have this nice Samsung Spin 7 notebook, and it's actually the model number is NP750QUB, and we're going to be doing a battery replacement on this one. Now, for Samsung devices, it's usually a little bit harder to get parts for hardware for, at least for like maybe back cover screens, those type of things. Just basic hardware replacements is a little bit harder to get parts for, but batteries usually a little bit easier. It's not super difficult to be getting that, but sometimes it can be. Who knows? See, this one actually has USB-C charging. It's a nice little set of ports there. It's a heavy, really heavy laptop. It feels like it's made of like aluminum, metal, or something. But let's just get into the battery replacement. I don't think there's really any screws in the back. It doesn't even look like it, right? Well, they must be somewhere, right? But it looks like they're hidden. So let's go ahead and get it right into it. So we have this nice, well, it looks like a dark blue. I can't tell if it's like a slate gray, dark blue, or burgundy. I'm so confused. I don't know what color it is. I think it's like a slate gray or something. That's usually what laptops are, right? They like to be neutral colors because they don't want to scare away people, because people have strong opinions about colors, right? So would you buy like a non-black, white, or silver color? Because those are usually more neutral colors. I'm actually really curious if you guys would do that. Let me know down below, because I'm really curious. Because I know even for phones, they don't really like to push the envelope on it. They've been doing it more on their other high-end series, or even for the flip phones, because I think they're more catered towards women to put them in their purse. And yeah, so I don't know. What would you guys buy? Let me know if you guys actually buy certain colors or off white colors, but off neutral colors. Would you do that? But anyways, we're getting into the repair. I guess it looks like that there's 4. I just did this subconsciously because I just assumed it's there. And I'm correct, right? So it looks like there's 4 bottom screws, and they're actually down here. So you're like, oh, where's the bottom screw at? Well, they're right there. Do not fear. Normally we focus on like motherboard repairs and stuff. You've been seeing probably a lot of that if you've been following the channel. Subscribe to it if you're interested more in data recoveries. We do like tech talks, and we do a lot of motherboard repairs too, because we find that real fun for you guys. And that's what we do here. Where'd my screwdriver go? Oh no. So yeah, we do those sometimes, and always, man. We're a tech shop, so we always like to show you guys for repairs, especially maybe a little bit more outside ones, a little bit more, some that are a little bit more not difficult, but we show anything we find that's half interesting. I just think these models, you don't see them a whole lot for like Samsung, so I'm sure some people have their Samsung laptops, right? And they're like, hey man, I want to do a repair, but no one has a video, or oh, they can't find the part, Well, that's why we're letting you know. Try to get like a little wedge in the corner here, because sometimes, there we go. You don't want to be scratching stuff. If you can, use plastic. Otherwise, you might need that little wedge there. Let's say it's going to lift up. There we go. Oh, okay. It was just a little, like, you had to loosen up a little bit. Oh, look at that. We have a Samsung battery. Wait, did I make a video about this before? Or did we make a video about showing the USB-C port replacement? We might have shown that before. I don't really know. Okay, so we have a nice Samsung battery in here. And let's disconnect that. It's a basic one. Coolio. Sorry for that cable getting in the way. I probably need a longer cable. I should probably just get a wireless mic or something. I think you guys would like that better. But the quality I like of this is pretty good, so yeah. Okay, so I removed that. Let's find it. What did I get here? Okay, I do have something here. Okay, looks like an exact replacement, huh? Or it looks like a replacement. So I got my replacement here. Let's take it off. Okay, so we're just gonna line it up here. Looks like they're using the same screws for like everything, so that's pretty cool. Oh, wait, this is the 3 one. Oh, I thought this was a little bit more complicated. I didn't think. I was like, well, I guess, we're in it now. You guys are with me making the video. I thought this was going to be a little bit more complicated. I'll show you guys also another trick. I know this is just going to be mainly a battery replacement, but there's a way sometimes you can calibrate it, or if you're having trouble with the battery charging, I'm going to show you guys another trick too, just in case, because I think this video is a little bit short. and it's a little bit basic, right? But you guys can just get the confidence, right? That's the whole point of these videos, even though like I watch them sometimes, right? Just to get the confidence. Obviously, you can do everything yourself if you really want to try to figure it out, want to have a good old time. But it looks to be fine. Okay, that looks good. That's all you have to do. Disconnect it and reconnect it. Wow. So let me put this back on. Okay. I'll clamp it as I usually probably screw it in. Alright. And I'll show you guys one other trick that I like to do. Not just for recalibration, but there's also a pretty nice trick that you can do in general for these ones, because these type of batteries, or if you're having like a charging problem, there's a little trick. Look at that, it just kind of snapped itself in. There we go. La 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 la. Okay, feels pretty good. Okay, we can put these back on. I don't think these have any way of being any different. They all look the same. There's no like rivets or something, so you can just plug them in. Sometimes they might have like specific ones for specific sizes or specific shapes or something, but looks pretty good. Man, I want to play Risk of Rain tonight. I might play it tonight. You guys play any games? Gamers out there? Guys, I like Risk of Rain actually. I've been playing that a lot. I have a lot of mods to it, so I'm having a blast playing it. So, what about you guys? Do you guys play games too? Okay, so I guess, yeah. Looks like that's about it. Let's just turn on. So, without plugging it in, it's probably just gonna turn on, right? Looks the blue light's on. A little bit of a dirty screen. Okay, Samsung looks good. All right, so we're good. That's it, huh? Okay, so I know this isn't the best way to do it, but I'm just being a little lazy right now. So there's a cool thing. Okay, so it is plugged in, right? It's actually working. Looks to be good. There's another trick for you people out there who have maybe a battery charging issue. I will show you real quick. I'm just going to do upside down. I'm so sorry, but kind of not really. I could just do a screen cap, I guess, but can I do that? Oh, yeah, this is USB-C, right? Okay, guys, so I decided not to be lazy. I made sure I did my HDMI input there. So, now make sure we have a battery icon here in the corner. Looks like it's fine. I'm going to go ahead and plug it in. If you're going to be doing this trick with me, please make sure you plug in your computer, because I don't want to be responsible for you guys and your OS problems. Especially because it'll probably turn it off. So I'm plugging it in. Looks like it's going to charge. You're going to 20 volts, and we're going to like 2 amps. So you see the battery icons there. For you guys out there who have also problems charging your battery or calibrating your battery, there is a way you can do that too. You can go through the manufacturer's website or something, I don't know. But let's right click here on the Windows. Let's go to Device Manager. And what we want to do is we want to go under Batteries over here. And you'll see that there's Microsoft ACPI Compliant Control Method Battery. Now that is pretty much the driver that communicates the battery with your computer. So actually, if you're having trouble charging and you're not sure if it's a battery issue or not, you could try this first and see if it'll do it. Make sure it's actually plugged in, because that really makes a difference. So I'm going to hit uninstall the device. And what that's going to do is it's going to disconnect the battery. But hopefully, since you guys are plugged in, you're not going to be turned off, right? So look, the battery icon's gone here. Now, if you had your computer not plugged in, like I said, it'll just turn off, which is fine because it's still going to be doing the same thing, but you could be messing up your operating system. So now you want to go up here, it says the action, and then you also want to do scan for hardware changes. And what that's going to do, now you'll see the battery icon. It's going to come back in the corner here, and you'll see it's plugged in, and we'll make sure it's charging, but you see now the driver actually does come back. Sometimes this can be because it's going to update a driver, or it's just going to re-recognize that your battery is connected again. I would try this first. I've been seeing these on like Lenovo laptops. I'm going to be surprised if it's more on other laptops as well, how this can actually fix some charging issues that you guys have. So now you can see now it says 74%. It is plugged in and it's charging. You're going to let it calibrate. You can charge it up and down, left and right, L1, R1, R2, L2, and square triangles 0x, square triangle 0x. Wasn't that like the GTA infinite something? No, it wasn't. Was it the infinite weapon? I can't remember. But if you know that, actually leave a comment down below as well. But yeah, it looks to be good. Our battery's charging, and we actually look good to be good. Okay, anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video on doing the battery replacement for the Samsung Note and the Samsung Spin 7. I almost said Note 7. If you guys get that and why that is actually funny to do a battery replacement on the Note 7, just let me know down below. You could probably been up to date with your tech a few years ago, right? So hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you did, please leave a like. It really does help us a lot. Subscribe for more content. We love hearing from you guys. Love seeing you guys. I always love to try to answer comments as soon as I possibly can. So definitely stay tuned if you want to do that, if you even care. But anyways, see you guys next video. Bye.